All right, well, we knew we had some boxes coming from Dave and Adams, but we didn't expect them to be here this quick. So, yeah, we didn't expect to be doing this break. But we're going to do one real quick, and we're excited to do this one because we weighed this box too, and it weighs different than all the other ones, so... What am I doing? Something big. Several. Well, the only precious metal gem was damaged, but it wasn't such a great character. But still, let's see. We're still looking for a green precious metal gems, and we need some. We need a lot of cards to complete the set. So here we go. So I don't know if that's pink, I'll look later, but there's the first grandiose. You ready? Mm-hmm. And remember, we want older characters. That's fine, that's fine. I mean, it is one everybody knows, not necessarily. There's Psylocke right there. So let's keep that going. That theme. Second grandiose already. Arcade, just for you. Precious metal gem? No, it's a gladiator that keeps fooling everyone, or fools me. I think we might even have him as a grandiose. And we heard him talk about it, like getting a bunch of gold and a bunch of... I guess by a bunch would be 4 and 3 instead of 3 and 2. Man, we need some characters that we don't have now. Palladium.
No, what? Who?
You'll... No, there's no way this is not real. This is not real. I told you this box.
Is it Gambit? Oh my gosh!
Look at that. Look at that.
We were just talking about that.
Oh wow, I told you this box was going to be something. 16 of 50.
No way.
Sleeve that up and put it in the top loader.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. Wow. I told you, man. Oh, Dave and Adams. Yep, let's keep the theme going, man. Psylocke, then Gambit.
No way.
I cannot. Actually, I can believe that because we're super blessed. Oh, wow. Wow. So even if there ain't a metal card in there.
I know, right?
This, wow. That's it. That's the hit for me right there. There we go. Wow.
First ever for us.
Wow, wow. I told you, man, that this box is going to be something special. even without weighing it. I just had a feeling. But it might be an ordinary box to a Gambit. Or to somebody who doesn't like Gambit.
Yeah, I was just about to say somebody who doesn't.
Hey,
like
look,
Gambit.
and even an eye-boy just for you. Ooh, I'm still. Oh, precious metal gem. That's definitely a precious metal
way.
gem.
Who?
Yep. Gateway.
A lot of people get that one. Just part of the club.
37 out of 100. At least it wasn't. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna save this for last. Even though this is the.
Yeah, I know, like that's
the hit already.
Our hit.
But that pack definitely fills head last pack because I felt it right away. You understand?
Yeah, I think he said something that it was too late for me to tell.
I don't know, but
this time you remembered to let me feel the pack.
no, that's what I'm saying. I don't think I felt anything. That's what is what I'm saying. I thought it must have been in the last pack we opened because I didn't feel it and say, oh, there's a difference here. Is that that's not a precious metal gem, no.
Oh, the guy.
What the? That's weird. Why does it look so? Oh, it was the angle. See there, it's purple there. We didn't open
it, but there's no way there's nothing in there.
Ugh, I want to open that. See that Wolverine back there. Oh, I'd rather see it pink. We've got a high series Gambit. And I just...
I want the metal card to be Gambit.
Oh no, I'm talking about this pack. Come on. Oh, every time I see that, I always think it's something else, like a comic cut or something, because it's got so much going on. And it's just that cipher. That's always nice.
And cable.
Yep, look at that. That's funny. I think I pulled it exactly when you said it.
That's
You knew that was
coming. I
coming.
was watching you.
But I thought I saw something shiny back there. But it could just be one of the... it could probably, it might just be that. This is what I always thought was a... Wait a minute, is that the actual gold?
How are we supposed to know?
No, because it's still like green.
That's awfully cruel. If you did that.
We're gonna have to go back and comment or whatever you want to call it. Since I didn't know what that is. Your favorite Kid Omega. There's a crucifix behind him. It's crazy. Storm. Rachel Summers. Hey, I don't know if we have. Do you know if we got that yet?
I don't know. That looks different.
Which one? And then we still got the. I told you this pack or this box was something good. Yeah, I can't get too excited. And that's just the the high series card I saw. Cecilia Reyes. Another rogue just for you. Is this gonna be gold? I think so. Yeah, that's gold. Wolfsbane. That. But yeah, we just got the
base or whatever.
So don't worry about that. Feast your eyes on this.
Finally, wow.
I know, here, sleeve that up. Man, gosh. Another one, mark it off the list. But so, there you go. A Gambit Palladium, the high series Deadpool, whopper of a metal card. And a nice domino for you. Okay, that was the card that came damaged in the last video. Gold. Hey, not bad. I'm telling you, we have so much.
Gosh, we got like a set to occur.
And anything else it wants to give us. And since I saw that was Emma Frost, let's see. I want to be surprised. Jean Grey, that I could have sworn we had this in gold.
I know, I thought so too.
Maybe we have it in. I mean, this right here is it's no other word but uncanny that we pulled this. So we would have been happy with just that. But there is either extra cards in here or something sweet. And let's hope it's a very precious metal.
You can't really look at gold into
Gold? You want gold? I want platinum. I just want a really good character. So here we go. Here we go. Sentinels. Aluminum.
Got a collection of them.
So, another aluminum, but a metal card nonetheless. And we sure got a collection of Sentinels and X-23. But, whew. Well, let's, we had a feeling. So we were anticipating this, but there's no way in the world we were anticipating this. Right there would have been just fine with that, but no, we'll take this as a bonus, but we kind of knew that was in there. Something metal was in there, hoping for gold or platinum, but yeah. But right here, I mean, it's just a high series, but we've been chasing this for a while. So we're getting there, but it's hard to get that high series. I don't know, good stuff. All right.